Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, is in this video we will going to solve soft skill development assignment number 3. Okay, so assignment 3 is ready now. So let's move to the question. So question number 1 is micro expressions last for 1 by 4th of second, 1 by 8th of second, 1 by 15th of second, or all the above. Okay, so according to lecture material, you can read here. It is directly mentioned that small fraction of second. Okay, so for this all are small fractions. So according to that question, option number D will be the answer for question number 1. Question number 2 is the vanishing point is applicable only to the linear perspective. We have to answer, is this statement true or false? Okay, so according to again lecture material, you will see it is a linear perspective vanishing point. Okay, so the statement is truly given. So for question number 2, option A will be the correct answer. Question number 3 is which of the following statements best describes the role of territoriality in communication? Option A is territoriality refers to the physical space that individuals claim as their own and can influence communication by establishing boundaries. Op- and statement B is territoriality is the process of communicating through written symbols and signs. Okay, so statement A is correct, but the statement B is not correct. Okay, so the appropriate option for this question will be option B. For question number 3, option B will be the answer. Let's move to question number 4. Question number 4 is minor tonality of a scale is associated with. So at first we have to know what is a minor tonality. So you can read here. Minor tonality is often associated with negative emotions such as sadness, melancholy, and introversion. Okay, so it simply indicates a negative emotions. Okay, so here negative emotions is in sadness, that is in option B. Okay, happiness and excitement is not considered as a negative emotion. So for question number 4, option B will be the answer. Question number 5 is consider the following statements. Which one of the given statement is true? So statement A is behavioral change while driving a car has less to do with territoriality than with speciality. Statement B is president of a country depends less on gestures than advocate. Okay, so for this question, option sorry statement A is correct, but statement B is wrong. Okay, so for question number 5, option B will be the answer. Question number 6 is which of the following statements about facial expression is true? We have to answer which one is true. Okay, so option A is facial expressions are universally understood and convey the same emotions across all cultures. So this is not true. Okay, facial expressions can provide important non-verbal cues that helps in understanding emotions and intentions. Okay, so this statement is true. uh, option C is facial expressions are more important to convey emotion rather than rational argument. So this option statement is not true. So for question number 6, option B will be the answer. uh, Question number 7 is ethereal music is. Option A is music of the gods, Option B is powerful and enticing source of entertainment. Option C is a tool for creating distraction. Okay. So for question number 7, the most appropriate answer for ethereal music is music of the gods. Okay. Option A will be the answer. Question number 8 is a loud blare of trumpet at a king's coronation is a probable indicator of faith, alarm, power, or trust. Okay, so it is the indicator of power. So option C will be the answer for question number 8. Question number 9 is dull colors can look distant, nearer, dreamy, or similar. Which option will correct? So it is distant. Okay, so distant is in option A, so only A, that is in option number B. So for question number 9, the most appropriate answer would be option A. Question number 10 is again we have to answer which statement is correct or which one is wrong. So consider the following statement. Statement A is forensic evidence challenges our visual abilities through lab tested invisible details, and statement B is image as everyday life elevates its status to scared. Okay, so option A is correct, but option statement A is correct, but statement B is wrong in this question. So option B will be the answer. Question number 11 is consider the following statements. Statement A is attention is a process that intensely avoids filtering out information, and statement B is focusing misses out on details that perception can detect. Okay, so in this question both the statements were wrong, so option D will be the answer for this question. In question number 12 we have to fill the blanks. Question is dash can be reflected through a deadpan facial expression, humor, irony, anger, all the above. So for this question the appropriate answer would be option B, that is irony. Okay, so students, if you are new to the channel then please subscribe the channel for upcoming week answers, and if you like the content then hit that like button, and also please share it with needy ones. So question number 13 is which of the following best explains the rise of visually oriented and ungrammatical text in modern communication? Option A is evolution of humanity towards more emotive ways of communicating. Option B is the influence of social media platforms and instant messaging. Option C is decline in educational standards, and option D is all the above. So the appropriate answer would be the influence of the social media platforms and instant messaging, that is in option number B. So for question number 13 option B will be the answer. Question 14 is consider the following statement. Statement A is William Blake's poems are a classic example of the text acting as a supplement to the illustration. Statement B is domination of the text by the image is a sign of decaying writing skills among modern professionals. So which statement is correct? Statement A. William Blake's poems are a classic example of the text acting as a supplement to the illustration is only correct. Okay. Statement B that is given is wrong. So for this question option D will be the answer. Only A is true. The last but not the least question is Which of the following hand gestures is commonly associated with signaling agreement or understanding in many cultures? Crossing arms, waving, pointing, thumbs up. So for this question, the thumbs up will be the correct answer. Agreement, देख रहे हो? Agreement is indicated by thumbs up. So submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and share it with needy ones. Thank you.